We've all heard the phrase, the rich get richer and the poor get poorer. But have you ever stopped to ask why? Is it just luck? Inherited wealth? While those play a role, the biggest gap between the two isn't found in their bank accounts, it's found in their daily habits. Most people are trapped in a cycle of poverty habits without even realizing it. These are subtle, everyday choices that drain your time, energy, and eventually your wallet. Today, we are breaking down 8 things poor people do that the rich simply don't. If you want to change your financial future, you first have to change your routine. Number 1. Trading time for money versus scaling. Most people are taught to trade their time for a paycheck. If they want more money, they work more hours. But here's the problem. Time is a finite resource. You only have 24 hours in a day. The rich focus on leverage. Instead of working for money, they make money work for them. They build systems, businesses, investments, or digital products that generate income while they sleep. So, stop asking, how can I work more hours? And start asking, how can I create a system that works without me? Number 2. Buying liabilities instead of assets. There's a massive difference between looking rich and being rich. Often people struggling financially spend their first extra dollar on a new phone, designer clothes, or a car loan. These are liabilities, things that take money out of your pocket every month. The rich buy assets first. They use their income to buy things that put money back into their pockets. Only after their assets have grown enough do they use the profits to buy the luxury items. Wealthy people stay wealthy by living like they're poor, while poor people stay poor by trying to look wealthy. Number 3. Focusing on saving, not earning. You'll often hear advice about skipping your morning latte to become a millionaire. While being frugal is good, you cannot save your way to true wealth if your income is low. Poor people spend 100% of their energy trying to save pennies. The rich spend 100% of their energy finding ways to earn thousands. You have a savings ceiling. You can only save what you earn, but there is no earning ceiling. So, don't just cut expenses, expand your means. Focus on increasing your value to the marketplace. Number 4. Entertaining versus educating. How do you spend your after-work hours? For many, the first instinct is to turn on Netflix, scroll social media, or play video games. This is escapism. The rich use their free time for self-education. They read books on finance, listen to industry podcasts, and attend seminars. They understand that their earning capacity is directly linked to their learning capacity. While the poor are entertained, the rich are educated. Swap 1 hour of TV for 1 hour of learning today. Number 5. The blame game versus total accountability. It is very easy to blame the economy, your boss, or your upbringing for your financial situation. This is a victim mindset. When you blame external factors, you give away your power to change. Successful people take 100% responsibility for their lives. If they fail, they don't blame the market. They analyze their strategy. They realize that they are the pilot of their own ship. You might not be responsible for where you started, but you are entirely responsible for where you end up. Number 6. Fear of risk versus calculated risks. Most people stay in safe jobs they hate because they are terrified of risk. They prioritize security over opportunity. Ironically, in a changing world, playing it safe is often the riskiest move of all. The rich don't gamble, but they do take calculated risks. They educate themselves, weigh the pros and cons, and then move forward. They understand that failure isn't the opposite of success, it's a part of it. If you want something you've never had, you must be willing to do something you've never done. Number 7. Hanging out with the wrong crowd. You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. If your circle constantly complains about being broke and spends their weekends partying, you will likely do the same. The rich are very intentional about their inner circle. They surround themselves with mentors, achievers, and people who challenge them to grow. They seek out wealthy conversations, not just about money, but about ideas and health. Audit your circle. If you're the smartest person in the room, you're in the wrong room. Number 8. Short-term thinking versus long-term vision. Poor people often look for get-rich-quick schemes. They want the reward now. This leads to bad investments, debt, and burnout. The rich play the long game. They are willing to sacrifice comfort today for freedom tomorrow. They think in years and decades, not days and weeks. This is the power of delayed gratification. Success isn't an overnight event. It's the result of small, disciplined actions taken consistently over a long period. Changing your life doesn't start with your bank account. It starts with your mindset. Which of these 8 habits are you currently struggling with? The first step to breaking a habit is recognizing it. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the mindset of success. Remember, your future is created by what you do today, not tomorrow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.